So guys, today we are unboxing one of the telescope of similar kind. So it's a telescope with specialty type with 70 mm aperture. So let's see what's this in magical box. I'm quite concerned and excited too. So you can see a lot of wrap over here. I think Amazon provides a good wrapping. It's good for the product. Sam. So while unboxing, I see one of the paper inside. Let's see what's there. It's an invoice, I guess. So the price over here is approx 7,600. So it's keep on varying. Today I see the price is quite high. So let's okay, again again a new box over here. Box inside a box. It's a box inside the box. I guess it's a product company box. Lot of tapping over here. Lot of tips. Boxing has always been a tricky. You have to follow similar steps to come up. So again a new box. Now I'm frustrated. But it's good. It's good for the product. It's keep your product safe. So this is what we are looking for. This is Celestron uh, Travel Scope 70 telescope, compact 70. We can see over here up to 40x magnification and 70 mm aperture. So we have a tripod inside it. We have a lens of different focal length, and we have a box inside this one. So a lot of images over here, moon, birds and all. So here we are. So there is a box.
There's a bag too.
Yeah, there is a bag over here with the branding in front of it. You can see branding in white, bag in black. So it's a good bag. It's a good traveling bag inside this one. So you can see a good padding inside this bag. Yeah, good one, good quality. So when you open your telescope, always keep it in a horizontal way because it might fall somewhere. Lot of documents, one CD. Okay, and I don't know what's this. Yeah, it's I guess it's lenses.
Yeah.
Bubble wrap. So it's shows our childhood memories. So this is so this one mirror or a purchase of 20 mm, I guess. So 20 mm you can see lens over here within a container. So it helps you to keep your lenses safe. It's again with 10 mm of lens, and again we have lot of things over here. So it is, I guess it's an eyepiece with covered glasses, this one. And so again this is eyepiece. It's an adjustment, so I guess we can adjust somehow and see over this one, this peak one. Okay, I'm done with one of my stuff, one of my packings. This is a cloth to clean your lenses. Okay, so we have a tripod with us. So I guess everyone is aware of what tripod is. I don't have to describe much on this. So this one is our tripod. And we have, so this is the last one, but not the least. This is what we are looking for. This is our magnification telescope, Celestron 70 mm. So, it shows a different packing. You have a paper covered over it. So let's see. It's not heavy. It's approx 1.5 kg. Quality seems to be good. So this is what we are looking for. This is what the magic happens. You are very excited when you see the product you are looking for such a long time. So this is all about unboxing. This is our telescope. We have adjustment at the bottom of this one. So we have two different lenses, I guess. Yeah, two different lenses. This is the eyepiece, this is the adjustment eyepiece, and this is what do you call it, protector or covered glass, I guess. So this is all we have. This is the four product I have. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, this is all. So Ankit, do you want to extend somewhat? You want to explain something on this? You can go ahead.
No, I just think that the warning is quite important to read before we
Okay,
what's written.
this is a warning. So you just picked up the warning first.
Yeah.
Is it what you are looking for?
Yeah, we don't have to mess it up.
Okay,
Never
okay,
attempt
good
to
one.
view the sun through any telescope without proper filtering. Okay,
Yeah,
so
it's a warning to you.
okay,
Don't do this one.
that's the only warning. It's written in
Yeah.
different languages. Okay, so
So
the quality seems to be nice.
my brother always used to see the first prevention steps first to take. So it's a good thing. So this is all about the unboxing. So do you have any comments? You can share up. You can like our video and subscribe our video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.